Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data envelopment analysis. To begin, understand that data envelopment analysis, or D, is a non-parametric method for measuring the efficiency of decision-making units, often called DMUs. It helps identify how well organizations convert multiple inputs into multiple outputs. This powerful technique is widely applied across various sectors, from healthcare to education, providing valuable insights into operational performance and identifying best practices for improvement. Next, let's define some core concepts. Inputs are resources consumed, like staff hours or budget, while outputs are the results produced, such as patient recoveries or student grades. Decision-making units, or DMU, are the entities being evaluated, for example, hospitals or schools. The efficiency frontier represents the best observed performance, against which all other DMUs are measured, indicating optimal resource utilization. Performing DEA involves several key steps. First, carefully collect your input and output data for all DMUs. Second, select an appropriate DEA model, such as the CCR or BCC model, depending on your assumptions about returns to scale. Third, utilize specialized software, like DEA Solver or R packages, to run the analysis. Finally, interpret the results to identify efficient and inefficient units and potential areas for improvement. Interpreting DEA results is crucial for actionable insights. Each DMU receives an efficiency score, typically between 0 and 1, where 1 indicates full efficiency. Inefficient units will have a reference set of efficient DMUs, providing benchmarks for improvement. Slack analysis identifies specific input excesses or output shortfalls. For instance, an inefficient unit might need to reduce its 300 staff hours or increase its 20 patient discharges to become efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.